Hey guys, JP Fluellen here, Titan Real Estate Team at Real. And if you're watching this and if I'm not high energy on every single video, then put one of those slap emojis in there because I need to get and stay high energy every single time. But in this video, we're going to talk about pre-inspecting your home. Now, this has always been the ever-going topic of debate. Whether you inspect, are they going to get their own inspections? Do you inspect? Do you have to go to the doctor before? I don't know what kind of inspections you're getting. Do you have to get your blood type done before you list your home? But at the end of the day, honestly, it is how smooth do you want your listing to go? Because this is the reality. So I'm going to put my house on the market. I'm working with you because you're watching. So you're going to call me. I'm going to list your home and I'm going to say one of two things. I'm going to say, hey, Mr. Seller, I think this is a great idea that we have your home pre-inspected. Why do we pre-inspect? So we can get ahead of all the dumb stuff that buyers are going to ask for during the transaction. So I'm going to go ahead and get that furnace inspected. I'm going to get the electrical inspected. I'm going to get all of those little knick-knacky things around the house that every time I walk by, there's that little flap that's going and I need to get glued back on, or I need to get that piece of flooring done. Because at the end of the day, the way you can keep your home as most presentable and conflict-free, that's the word, conflict-free, then you're going to have the easiest time selling. Now, what could happen is that the buyer will go ahead and get their inspections. And so there's two ways you can handle that, which is number one is you can just say, hey, I already did the inspections and these are the items that we already fixed. Take it or leave it. It's as is, where is. You already did all the work. You did all your due diligence up front, and this is what we're going to do. The second way of doing that is you get the inspections, but you do nothing, and then you just hand it to the buyers and say, hey, here's the inspections. We're going to save you $500. Because a lot of times first-time home buyers are super excited about not having to pay that $500, $600, whatever it is to get those inspections done, because you already got to pay for origination costs, lending fees. You got to pay, in some cases, you got to pay commissions for your agent. So depending on what's going on, you got a lot of things going, and even saving a couple, $300-$400 is huge because you're already stressed out. And then you got the one more thing you got to deal with. And I know as a first-time home buyer, because if you check out our previous video, we interviewed Mariah. She's talking about buying a home and she's got to pay for all of her inspections because the seller didn't have their own inspections done. So there you go. So there's that. So at the end of the day, it's really just removing the friction, making it a pleasurable experience, not having the buyer that's going to buy your home have to pay for that one more thing that they got to buy. And they could just look through that inspection clause thing and just go through there and pick hey, I want to get that thing done. I want to get that thing done. Don't worry about that. I appreciate it. I can use that $500 that I was going to spend on inspections to fix that thing. And at the end of the day, it's going to be a great experience. So if you're looking for a great experience with your selling, then give us a call, shoot us a text, hit us up, and like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. I'm JP Fluellen. Catch you next time. Peace.